guys, welcome to my subscription obsession. Today we are going to be unboxing a manifestation box. I received this box prior. I can't remember what month it was, but we're gonna go ahead and get right into it, and I will leave you guys all the details and information on the description box down below. So let's get started. I am doing this unboxing outside my home today because it's so beautiful outside. This is everything that's inside the box. And we're gonna go ahead and start with, I will show you guys this here. So guys, right now for a limited time, they have a limited time special. It's 100% off the manifestation box for your first box. So your first box right now is going to be free. After you're done watching this video, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, I will give you guys just a little bit of information. It says your inner intention meets outer manifestation. So you receive a $97 value personalized monthly practice for as low as $33 a month that is sent right to your door, created to inspire connection with yourself and Mother Earth. And you can cancel anytime. So this is what I receive, and this is what you will receive every month. So more information there. So this is not just the jewelry that you wear on a daily basis. This is something that is going to it's gonna help you look nice, put together, and it's gonna help focus on your intentions. It's gonna help in so many ways, guys, so many ways. And she has like beautiful stuff. So you do receive 2 cards, so you can keep one for yourself and you can gift one. It has a blank space on the back, so you can write whatever you want, whatever you wish. So you receive a story. So you're going to receive in this box, guys, you are going to receive 2, let me go back. You're going to receive 2 meditation cards, which are these here. You are going to receive a necklace with a healing crystal, and you are going to receive a gemstone, a story, and your astrology. So far we've done the cards, the story. You receive your astrology, which is for whatever your sign is. Mine is Pisces, so this is mine here, and I already read it and it is wonderful. And you receive your necklace with the crystal. So this is going to be my necklace here. It comes in a nicely box for you, and look how beautiful this is. It's gorgeous. I love the color. It's dainty, it's pretty. You can dress this up, you can dress this down, guys. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Love it. And then I will show you guys what else I received. So it's inside this pouch here. So inside the pouch we have a bracelet, and it's stretchy, so it fits anyone. You receive your gemstone or your crystal. Look how beautiful that is. I just love. I have a whole collection of these stones, and I just love them all. Look how beautiful that is. And then within the pouch you receive what are your actual gemstones, or your stones are made from. So we have this one here, which is going to be the honey one. Look how beautiful that is. We have the black tourmaline, which is going to be what the bracelet is made of, and it's just beautiful. Beautiful pieces, guys. Beautiful, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous pieces that I love. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys back soon with a new unboxing.